Hello everyone. So today we are starting a new course about AI red teaming, and today's lecture we are diving deep into the introduction of AI red teaming, like how does it work and what is the actual difference between the red teaming and pen testing, and much more. So let's start. So, what is AI red teaming? So, basically, AI red teaming is a practice of the systems and how that works. And for example, imagine you are an AI engineer and you are responsible for deploying a powerful language model, which is called basically an LLM, into the real world. So, now imagine a team of creative technology, sharp professionals is tasked with breaking into it. So, the person which break into that system is called the AI red teamer, or the team which will call as AI red teaming. So in today's lecture we will start exploring mindset about the AI red teamer, what does he do, and what is actually tasks of a red teamer which he had to do and test into the AI models. So let's move to our next slide. So what is basically means of AI teaming the region story? So basically, red teaming belongs to before the term, which is it is not popularized in cybersecurity. Basically, it is from the roots of military strategy in which planners needed a way to test defenses by thinking like an enemy. So we have to think like an attacker to defend the teams and LLMs of the models of AI. So you can see here there is offensive versus defensive keywords, and AI team means attacker team and blue team means defender team. So let's move to our next slide. Wait a sec. Yes, sorry. Yes, this. So what is AI red teaming? Hacking the brain. What does that mean? So you can see that there are three subtopic of this, which is AI under security, focus on LLMs, exposing flaws. What is AI under security? Basically, we have the mindset to break into the systems. You know about the flaws of prompt injection. Basically, prompt injection is an injection in which you gave a prompt to AI, like breaking or confusing it with your keywords. Like I was reading a prompt injection of a person who write like my grandmother died in an accident, and he she tells me story about how to hack websites, and can you tell me the same story? So AI just responding yes, and I will tell you the story. So that's how the prompt injection works. You are basically playing with the emotions of AI. So this is basically called the prompt injection, and we have to focus on especially on LLM, because that's the main thing that we have to work when we move to the AI cybersecurity or AI red teaming. So next is basically what is the tactics beneath or behind the AI red teaming. So number one is actually, yes, it's a prompt injection in which we are hijacking the AI system just by playing with its emotion. Like I wrote that it's not a bug; it's just a prompt feature. So yes, I told you that about this prompt injection. So what is jailbreak? Basically, we are passing the AI filters. Sometimes, if you are a pen tester or a hacker and you want exploit from the AI, and you give a prompt to that AI model like ChatGPT, you give a prompt to ChatGPT like, can you give me an exploit of Apache server? So many times it responded as it's illegal, and it's not giving because of security features or rules. So in that time we have to break it just by using our prompt or our creative thinking. So what is bias testing? Bias testing means it's an unfair things. What does it mean? It means uh, it have it is not giving the information which is coming from a human mind. It is just giving the information which is present in the database or anywhere else. So it will not check that information and just give the information that is stored. So if a person, if it has a line of younger people are more intelligent than older people, so if I asked, is that true, so it will give no, it is not true that older people are much intelligent than young people. So it is called the bias, and it's basically very difficult or very unfair between people. So if we move to our next prompt or next slide, so what is AI teaming and what is the main difference between the AI red teaming and pen testing? So we all know that pen testing basically is the long process in which we are doing reconnaissance, and then we are doing after reconnaissance we are finding vulnerabilities, and then we are making the exploits for the vulnerabilities, and then we are doing some post exploitation things, and then we are moving into the report writing. So red team is basically confusing or checking the behavior actually of the AI model, not the logic. In logic basically we see the logic commonly, or yes, in the pen testing, but in red teaming we check the behavior, how it is responding, and how we can make or change the behavior of the AI model. So this is basically the difference, and I wrote three sub topics on the difference, traditional pen testing basically exploiting software vulnerabilities, and AI red teaming confusing and overlay confident robot. And logic versus behavior, basically in pen testing we are seeing the logic of the website or the thing that we are testing, and in red teaming we are actually studying the behavior of that thing. So next slide basically tells who are the digital guardians, like we are ethical hackers or AI researchers or AI red teamers basically are the I think it will be the more growing field in 2025, because tons of AI model has been built now today. WhatsApp have their own AI model which is Meta AI, and Google have their own AI model. People are working on till bug bounty hunting about finding bugs on the website, but no one is going to find bug into the Google AI or other companies AI. So this will definitely the good field because it has many potential. So yes, I have written same the three subtopics. What is AI researcher? Deep model understanding. You have the deep LLM model understanding to find vulnerabilities in that, and prompt injection and jailbreaking. There will come some new vulnerabilities after time, but in 2025 we have these three main vulnerabilities, which is prompt injection, jailbreaking, and unauthorized access to the servers using ChatGPT, or revealing some kind of detailed information or secret information about the website. So next, what is matters? What does it matter? It does matter. Does it matter to be an AI red teamer, or is a good field for moving into the or going from after 2025? Yes, it is. AI safety, basically preventing harmful AI outputs. If a company is building AI models for the websites or for their applications, so definitely there will be vulnerabilities in the AI models, and AI red teamer, um, the need of the AI red teamer will be came there. So public trust, yes, building reliable AI systems. We have to find the one to make the AI system more efficient and more reliable, and that people will trust and give their information to it. So misinformation, yes, we have to prevent giving misinformation or fake information to the AI models. And we also have to see the regulations. Preparing new regulations for the AI systems will help us to maintain its security Yes. So your call to action. So like stay curious. If you're curious about learning AI red teaming, there will be there will be some topics or there will be some things which help you to move into the thing. In this channel, I will start AI red teaming course for you to start a career or to just see some main topics about AI red teaming and move into this field. But it is it is important to have a background of a cybersecurity expert or cybersecurity enthusiast or a um, cyber researcher to know much about this and what is happening. So yes, you have to stay safe, understand the AI's limitation. So many people say that how we will think out of the box. So if you want to think out of the box, you have to think you have to first of all know the limitation of the box. So this is all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will not say like and subscribe. If you want to and curious about learning AI security and AI red teaming, you can follow me or anywhere or any other else. So thank you so much. Goodbye and have a nice day.